Hey YouTubers, it's Chris from Canopy Crypto. Just wanted to tell you about a new project I've been working on called Karmatica. So Karmatica is an NFT marketplace that I have created using Web3 technologies, smart contracts, and hosting it on the net. And I just wanted to show you how it works. So the difference in Karmatica versus something like OpenSea is a couple of things. Firstly, it is more like an affiliate program than just an NFT marketplace. In our case, we are paying 30% commissions for referrals. So if you buy an NFT or if you just visit and share an NFT and someone buys it, you can get 30% of the value of the NFT. And that is paid in Matic. So Matic is the token for the Polygon chain. It's a level 2 Ethereum solution, as many of you know probably, but it is a fast and cheap level 2 solution for the blockchain. And typical gas fees are usually under 1 cent, unlike the Ethereum network, which can be several dollars, even hundreds of dollars. So it's a very efficient, very fast, very high transactions per second. Even relative to other newcomers like Optimism, it's 3 times as fast as Optimism. And it's a great, fast network for NFT transactions. So just wanted to show you around a little bit the marketplace that I am creating or have created. And again, it's Karmatica, and what you can do is sign in as a creator or as a buyer. And if you're looking to buy NFTs, obviously you want to be signed in as a buyer. And if you wanted to mint new NFTs, then you would be signed up as a creator. So what you can do is add not only a project title and banner and description, but you can also create collections of NFTs. And so you can do many things within a single account or a single wallet address. So as you'll see, Polygon is the chain. You'll see the NFT price in Matic, that's the blue M. And you can invest, buy now, and you can see all the royalties that you can get as an affiliate. If you either buy this NFT, you can buy it yourself, or you can refer it to friends and get 30% royalty. If you create your own NFT, there's a 10% payment for creators, and that goes for the lifetime of your NFT. You always will get 10% if it's resold, and Karmatica takes 1%. Marketplace like OpenSea, for example, and Rarible typically take around 2 to 3%, depends on the marketplace. But we're just taking 1% royalty, and 30% goes to affiliates. So this is the highest that I know of in the space for NFTs, and hopefully it will encourage increased adoption that way. So yeah, as a creator, you can sign